Today I'm taking you along with me as we explore the fairy tale-like beauties of Hoi An. I'm gonna show you the highlights of this ancient city as well as some of its hip places and daily life. We came to Hoi An without knowing anything about it at all. Honestly, I thought that these lanterns are flying and I was hoping to see something like, I don't know, a miniature Cappadocia maybe. Our journey to Hoi An started with taking a sleeper train from Ho Chi Minh City all the way to Da Nang. The journey was almost 1,000 kilometers long and it took around 17 hours. After spending a couple of days in Da Nang, we moved on to Hoi An by taking a cab. This one?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Before getting started, let me properly introduce you Hoi An. Hoi An was one of the most important trade ports in Southeast Asia between 15th and 19th centuries. Today, as being a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hoi An Old Town is home to Chinese temples and town halls, a Japanese bridge, well, this one is a bit shady, and French colonial buildings. After leaving our bags to our room, we were headed to the river to see the boats, but I could not stop Anna from entering a tailor.
Book for you the bedding. How long you stay in Hoi An?
We don't know yet, but I wanted it today.
How long time will it take?
If I make for you, I will finish tonight or at least tomorrow morning about 10 a.m.
What do you think?
So you're gonna adjust this dress, you're not gonna tailor a new one. You're gonna tailor a new one
Because
in one day.
yeah, because she's
What is the material?
that is like satin silk.
It's silk.
Dạ. Vòng dưới 70 máu, mông 90, vòng dưới 32, eo xuyệt.
So we ordered a custom tailored dress for Anna made of silk for $35. I was thinking of negotiating actually, but the price was just too good and I felt a bit shy about negotiating and I just said okay.
You bought it?
Yeah.
Looks beautiful. Thank you. What is it made of?
I don't know if Hoi An is more beautiful during the day or in the evening. As the sun sets, this ancient town transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of light and color thanks to the tradition of lantern lighting. Locals believe that releasing lanterns on the river brings good luck and symbolizes letting go of worries and troubles. But sometimes your wishes may get burned to ashes. It's all part of the life. Unfortunately, wearing a life vest is mandatory and it looks horrible. I hate to wear it. I have no idea how we are gonna pass this bridge. It is so low. Wow, you should really wear a hard cap here instead of life vest. I think, yeah, wearing a hard cap should be mandatory. Visiting the old houses of Hoi An is taking you to a bygone era. The traders of Silk Road once passed through these very halls. There are so many stories in every nook and cranny about the workers who built the house, from where did they bring the material, the artists and architects, and of course the families who lived there for generations. There is a photo session going on at every corner of Hoi An. I wanted to go to a cafe for a breakfast, but there was a photo session there as well with lights and everything. Waking up early definitely has its merits. I'm walking to Japanese bridge right now. I hope it's open. It's not super early actually. There is a huge line here during the day. Is it inside it? Okay, looks like there is no bridge anymore. I did not know that. There are a couple of writings and photos of the bridge, but none of them says what happened to the bridge. Well, technically the bridge is being renovated, but I have no idea how it's gonna happen. I think showing an intact bridge on the photos is just not right. And I was hoping to see the bridge. In Hoi An, there are still so many authentic businesses like this one. This is a silk store that you can buy silk dresses and accessories. If you walk behind the store, which probably you will because you're gonna hear the sound of the machines, and you can actually watch the silk is being made. In old times, the storefronts of Hoi An were facing the street, and they had another door facing the riverside to load and unload the goods. That's why we ended up in a cafe. You may associate good coffee with Italy, but actually Vietnamese coffee scene has a lot to offer. A coffee was made by a Vietnamese barista in Hanoi. Finding milk during Vietnamese war was very hard and expensive, so he just wanted to replace the milk with anything else. So he came up with the idea of replacing that foam with egg yolks and sugar. The foam is just super thick, I couldn't reach the coffee yet. It's not espresso, so you don't expect a strong coffee, but it is very strong. These pho jokes are funny. There are so many versions of it, like what the pho, together forever, pho king. I don't know. It, yeah.
Tiền để đó đi. Anh dỗ em gãi với tóc hút cho vui luôn.
Now we are walking to watch the memories of Hoi An Show, and walking on this street is a show by itself. The architecture and the lanterns and lights and the vibe, it is just fascinating to be here. Looks like we are gonna cross the bridge. I think we are going there. Since Corona, I haven't been in a crowded place like this actually. Memories of Hoi An is a musical show about brief history of the city that's spiced up with a little bit of romance. It's a show that's being performed every day, so I wasn't expecting too much from it, but it definitely exceeded my expectations. And don't worry, it has English subtitles. It was an amazing show. The production was just much bigger than I was expecting. I don't know, I think there were more than 100 dancers and...
500.
500?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're joking?
No.
Wow. Okay.
Okay,
I'm shocked. And I think the best part of it, we watched the show under the real full moon.
Plus, I saw this decoration, but no.
Now we came to night market of Hoi An. You can find souvenir shops and street food here. I think we are gonna eat something. Cheers.
Tomorrow.
We have it. There is a popular drink here. I don't know what it is yet, but people are taking photos with the cups. What is this Mot tea?
It's a lemon herbal drink.
Oh yeah,
Lemon
that's what
herbal.
everybody orders.
Okay. Let's try it. Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. I feel the taste of a. I was going to say flourish something. I totally forgot that I gave all my money as a deposit to our bicycle rent. So I hope they accept credit card here. Do you accept card?
Cash.
God damn it.
We took a tour around Vegetable Village by our bicycles. There wasn't anything particular to see there. It was just a nice ride. You can also rent a scooter to visit my Son Archeological Site. I highly recommend you to have a road trip in Vietnam, but it is definitely not for everyone. We came a very long way, and also we came here a bit late, and I'm just dying to see the temples and the archaeological site. We are walking and taking a shuttle and walking again, but we couldn't reach there yet.
12 seconds later.
We definitely have something there. I'm gonna finish this video in this majestic place. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. So see you on the next one. I think these are made in USA. This is the bomb crater. It fell right in front of this group of buildings. It is so unfortunate.